this emergence of paid email newsletters and even paid blogs. Like a lot of the stuff that just used to be considered free, whether it's an email newsletter, a blog, even podcasts now, they're shifting over to paid. And we're seeing more and more people and publishers doing this. And shockingly, to me at least, we're seeing more and more consumers that are happy to pay for these things. So yeah, it's kind of, I see this as being that next big thing, so to speak. One of the ways that you can signal higher value is simply to charge for it. Now, the risk of charging is that you're not going to get as large of an audience, but you are going to get a more engaged audience. So we're seeing consumers that are being, open to this because they're looking for ways to maybe distill down to only the best. And what we're seeing is the cost of this fairly nominal. So, for paid email newsletters, even paid podcasts and gated areas of blog posts, you're talking about between $50, $100, to $200 per year.
Yeah.
Is what we're seeing. That's kind of the price range. It's not nothing, but it's not a ton. Like if you really want access to the information, you'll pay it. Now, from the publisher perspective, from the writer's perspective, from the creator's perspective, this is great for so many reasons. Number one, you do have a more engaged following. Number two, you are generating some income. It's not all the money in the world, but the biggest thing is I look at this, it's kind of more like a Costco membership. Right. So when you go and you pay your $50 a year, $100 a year, or like an Amazon Prime, right? It's not just that you're paying it and you get the benefits. It actually makes you more likely to go back and to consume more from that brand. And so if you're the creator, if you're the writer, if you're the publisher, I think it's smart to do on multiple levels. But it's not really about the money. It really is about that additional engagement and the increased likelihood that they're going to continue to do business with you. Clearly, this content is worth more. And so I also think as a writer, what you can now pitch is saying, if you can come up with some differentiated ideas for your clients, okay, we want to produce this type of content that's going to be ungated. And the best type of content to have ungated is search-driven content, library style content, the type of evergreen content that you want to rank, that you want to get shared, that type of content, absolutely. But to kind of add in as an extra little wrinkle, but I'll also help develop some premium content to go along, and we'll, link from this post to this one over here. It's premium to get people to ascend into your other area. I think that's big. I also think that there's a lot of writers that could add community management services to their to what they're doing. If as more of your clients get into a community driven, maybe if it isn't community driven or community first, at least a community enabled type platform. So I would look to bring that in as well, because it fits very well. If you can write, then you can speak to the needs and in the voice of the customer. So community management's piece of cake.